Nelson digging. And there's all the other bunnies. That's Willie Nelson. Look at how big he's gotten.
I've actually just started putting them on a diet because they all need to lose a little bit of weight, I think.
Yeah.
Look at the hole that he dug. I'm gonna try and dig a hole.
It's easier with claws. If you have claws, it makes it a lot easier.
Okay. No. There's Willie Nelson over there. And look at his long teeth. Here, I'll show you. Look at his really long teeth. See those really long teeth? Just like Bugs Bunny. And here is Willie Nelson. Willie Nelson.